What we see here is the general form of a for loop in Python. As you see, the keyword is for, then there is a variable name, then the keyword in, and then an iterable. And that's followed by a colon and a block. So the variable is the loop variable, the so-called loop variable, and it takes on, in turn, every value that's contained in this iterable. The iterable is an ordered collection of items. You can think of a list, of a tuple, of a file. In the block is just a group of instructions, as we have seen for the if-else statements. If you look at this example, you find all those elements. So count is actually this list, which is iterable. C is the loop variable, and as you can see, it takes on every value inside the iterable. And this is a block. In this case, the block consists of only one instructions. We can add another instruction inside. And obviously anything that you put outside the block will not be part of the for any longer, and therefore it runs only once.